Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do some Google Docs tricks. To get to all the tricks, you have to do Control+/. So if you want to do something like type in bold, for example, it'll tell you how to do bold like Control+B. There's also the find and replace method, and my friend is going to type in please without an E. To find and replace, it's Control+H. Basically, it's find plus without an E and replace with please. So then you're going to press replace all or replace, and then you're going to press previous or next. Now it's not plus anymore, it's please. To get the definition about a word, do Control+Shift+Y. To make it bigger, it's Control+Shift+. To make it smaller, it's Control+Shift+. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!